Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get that, you mother suckers. Say no. Y'all can see it on the screen, man. Right after Christmas, we got these people going insane, and we got like 2 or 3 videos I watched it with y'all because, yo, kids are crazy. Okay, there's no way that this should even happen, but it happened, y'all. So let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Right after Christmas, man. Ungrateful kids.
Y'all, tell me the fuck why my daughter sent me a motherfucking video today of my other daughter crashing the fuck out, all because she's fucking mad because she think ain't get her no motherfucking Apple Watch for fucking Christmas.
Oh Lord.
For Christmas, she can't even give me that shit, but she buying all this extra shit. Like, I'm so fucking tired of this shit. Let's see who watch TV tonight. I ain't gonna lie. I'm so fucking done with family.
Yo, where's she going? Yo, where's she going? Look at this. She got the hammer.
Give me a simple fucking Apple Watch, bro. An Apple Watch, bro. Like, I'm so.
Bomb.
Oh my god. She gone. She ain't on this earth no more. Her mama took her out. Yo, what the hell?
There's no way. Because she didn't get you an Apple Watch, you ain't never getting shit again. You lucky if you gonna have anything in your room when she come home. Because if it was me, you definitely have a goddamn thing. That wouldn't even be a thought in my head to even go grab a hammer and do anything to anything in my mother's house. That's a damn sure. Your mother would have snapped everybody neck in there. Everybody. Even the people that ain't do it. Just because you was behind, just because you was there. I seen my mother take dishes out of the sink. I mean, out of the sink and out of the cabinets, especially not her good ones that was in the china cabinet, but out of the regular cabinets, and take every dish because my little brothers didn't wash the dish and break every dish. Got the big trash can from outside and was like, "Bombo blood clot, me know why, you know why, I wash blood clot dish. Oh, nobody have no dish now." Yes. Yo, my mother used to do some off the wall stuff. And I just be like, yo, this woman is crazy. I'm glad I don't be here like this no more, because I ain't got to use the plates like that. But let's move on to the next one, man. Listen, hey, let me tell you something. Don't y'all ever do me like this, man, because I'm gonna be just like homeboy. I'm telling you that now.
I know this box.
You look too geeked about that gift. For real.
Man, get Nayla.
No, for real. Back her up a little
Get
bit
Nayla.
to the
Come
side.
on, open that shit.
No.
We not waiting no more.
This is why I don't do Christmas. See? Look at it. Everybody got their phone out. Y'all know what that box is. That's that Louis. Look. He don't know what to do with himself. He don't know what to do with himself. Look. Hey, listen. He madder than a mother. Hey, y'all see, he got the joint on his head, so you know he really love that Louis shit. I hope they really got him something for real, man. I hope they really got that man something for real, because if not, yo, he gonna be, listen, I will be livid. I would be livid. Yeah, look at all that, man. Everybody poking. He should have known. He should have known once they had the phones out, all of that. But hey, he the only guy there too, so he probably, who knows? He got matching pajamas with all of them. It's always weird that they got this one dude that's here and he be like smacking on them and all of that stuff, and he be at the girl functions, but they be doing all this off the wall stuff that girls only supposed to see, but he get to be a part of it and all of that. That's exactly what he. I hope they got, hey, if they ain't get him nothing for real, yo, hey, he better get a new friend group for sure. Anyway, man, I just wanted to bring a little humor to Christmas, man. I didn't do anything for Christmas. You know what I did? I made videos all day long. That's what I did. And mess with my dogs. And my lady made some breakfast. yeah, that's what we did, man. And so yeah, shout out to everybody that did whatever they did for the holidays and all of that stuff. I'm working. You know what I want? More subscribers and more people to hit the like in the comments and make sure that this run these numbers up on these videos because I'm knocking them out. You dig? Anyway, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the tick and the blicker. Everything, all the information is right there. Because if not, you gonna die.